Right, welcome to our how-to guide on how to adjust the top rack on a Siemens IQ dishwasher. This particular model is the SN26M280GB, but actually relates to a lot of models. It can be applied to the Varioflex models. This is where you've got the two trays and the top cutlery tray. Before you do this, you want to make sure it's empty. Oh wait, it's not now. But anyway, if we put the smaller plate in, as we can see, it doesn't fit. In fact, with this position, it tends to just fit very small items such as very small glasses and mugs, and plasticware if it's laid down. But other than that, you can't fit much else. But at this level as well, on the bottom rack, you can fit pretty much anything at all. Big plates, baking trays, etc., without the spray arm hitting it. You'll find, unlike any other dishwasher, normally involves the tray having to take out, but on this you don't actually have to take out the actual tray. On the side we have two levers. Right, when we press them, it lowers. So shall I show you that again? Ready? But believe it or not, there isn't just the top level or the bottom level, there's actually three levels. If we look at this little loop here, there's a little plastic tab there. This, when released, is what lowers the basket. I've noticed that the loop has one and then another level here. But when it's at the bottom level, it's completely off the loop. What we'll do is that we'll push them both in at the same time. And then just lower it slightly. Lower it to the bottom, then pull it up. Just one clip. Now we're in the middle level. And when the camera decides to focus, there we are. Now we can see that the plastic clip is here. Then if we press it again, it lowers all completely to the bottom level. Now we should be able to now place a smaller white plate in the rack without it hitting the cutlery basket. And it does. Can we fit the red one? The red one's slightly bigger. Yes, we can, just about. But that's at the bottom level. So if we raise it up one, can we fit the white plate but not the red one? Pull it out completely, there we are. So now we're in the middle level. And it just about, very tightly fits. Probably if they're ever so slightly smaller, it'll fit. And if we bring it up all together, not going to fit. So there we are. That is how to adjust the top basket on your Siemens Varioflex dishwasher. Now, my preference is to have it at the highest level on this, simply because of how many mugs we go through compared to how many plates we go through. Small plates that we use go on the bottom rack. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to do yours at home. And I found this useful for you lots at home because if you're living with this dishwasher, it comes naturally at this position, which is no good for these plates. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helped you to do your own at home.